Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to turn on or off a smart screen filter on Windows 11 or 10 PC using group policy. For this, first click on this one start button and type here gpedit.msc. In the search results, click on this one gpedit.msc. This will open local group policy editor on your Windows PC. Now select this one computer configuration. Then select administrative templates. Then double click on this one Windows components. Under Windows components, find the file explorer and double click on it. On the right sidebar, you will find a policy name, configure Windows Defender a smart screen. Double click on this one option. To enable a smart screen filter, select this one enabled option, and in case you want to disable this one feature, select this one disabled option. Once you have selected the desired option, click on this one apply and then OK button. Now close the local group policy editor and restart your PC once to apply the changes. In case you use Windows 11 or 10 home PC, you will not find this one GP edit option on your PC. You need to enable it. I will provide the link in this video description. In case you need, you can refer to that video and enable the same on your Windows PC.